rubber down for you
Put
guys.
it down.
Yeah.
Drifter versus drifter. Let's go.
Yeah. you. Yes, sir.
I think that's a cool factor to it. It may not be everybody's cup of tea, but I personally think it's pretty
Second, 143.765. That's pretty quick.
That's up there with Tanner Faust and that Radford, so that's technically on pace as of now to be 940.
That is unbelievable as Dai Yoshihara continues to sweep through the mountain curves here. He said when we talked to him earlier that you just flip the switch when you go from drifting to grip driving to whatever else he may be doing. He's currently competing in the TC America Series in a TCX category car, also a Honda, but this S2000 continues to climb, and as he mentioned earlier, it's definitely far from stock.
No, and those cars are just, I think they're timeless. Honda always does a great job with both Acura and Honda, and the S2000, I raced one for a number of years in the SCCA competition. Nowhere near prepared as this thing, but looking at that car up close, it is beautiful. I mean, those guys just do an awesome job with everything they build, and it just goes to show. I mean, hopefully, I know it's not a divisional record. What is what was, I should say, because I think it's been broken, what was the diesel engine record? I know it was Scott Birdsall.
Alternative fuel record diesel in exhibition was Scott Birdsall. The 1949 Ford F1 at 11:24:65. So
Gregory Blechon beat that by almost a minute. I mean, I just cannot believe how many records are falling today. The 101st running of this race is special.
Okay.
Is Dai slowing down?
A little bit off pace, but it's hard to tell again and some of the altitudes here and
Well, you take it slow, JJ. See. Oh fuck. God damn. So, well, our car did really great on the first and the second sector, but sadly we had transmission problems, so the car stopped shifting onto second and up gears or whatever from first, so it's pretty much stuck in there, so Dai couldn't complete the run. Right now he's up on the hill and waiting until all the cars go and they can pick the car up, because he could manage to park the car in a safe spot. But meantime, we went on this little hike. And it's like, dude, like this is like so like scenic. It's crazy. It's like surreal, you know, seeing something like this. 34%. Already out of breath though. Fuck. Ay. Man, Pikes Peak is beautiful though. Shit. Where are they? They're in What was that, Jay? Jay? False alarm. So does that mean we have like 5 more cars or not? Motherfuckers. Okay, be high up nicely.
We should do any team exercise.
Oh, fuck. Too much team exercise, man.
You get a lot of walking on this trip.
Liquor store was nothing compared to this.
Yeah.
This is all fucking hike.
High altitude.
Hike and shit too.
High elevations.
Yeah. It's pretty though. I mean, look at it. Shit. When can you beat a view like this? Well, at least the video was gonna have some content to it, right? Hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace.